This week's episode is featuring Q-Bio Zinc 7.5%. Q-Bio Zinc 7.5% is a QualiTech product that prevents and corrects zinc deficiencies. It's completely soluble and non-toxic to foliage when applied as directed. Visit stbiologicals.com to learn more about this and other regenerative ag products. Hello, and welcome to the ST Biologicals Soil Speaks podcast. This week, we share how zinc can reduce drought stress on plants. Let's get started. The world is getting warmer and drier. During the 2023 growing season in the United States, as much as 27% of agricultural land was in moderate to extreme drought. That may not sound like a large percentage, but in terms of acreage, that 27% equates to 241 million acres, according to NOAA. If your acreage was in a drought, your crops didn't do as well, even if you irrigated. So, what can you do to drought-proof your acres? Let's take a close look at the micronutrients and microorganisms in your soil. You can get soil samples anytime the ground isn't frozen. Labs aren't as busy this time of year. If the tests show you need inputs, now's the time to buy them. Then you'll have them to add as soon as you can get into the field in the spring. One micronutrient you're looking for is zinc. You don't need a great deal of zinc. In fact, too much zinc is toxic. Adequate zinc in plants during drought helps maintain membrane permeability, increases the activity of antioxidants, and makes photosynthesis more efficient. All are necessary for good crop growth during adverse weather conditions. Zinc is a fundamental nutrient for plants and a cofactor of many enzymes. The first casualty of drought is the plant cell membrane. Water pressure maintains cell wall structure. Plants indicate water loss through wilting or curling. Plants with a greater leaf surface, higher chlorophyll content, and stomatal activity can handle more drought stress. Zinc enzymes, in achieving these characteristics while also decreasing electrolyte leakage. One study on wheat showed that zinc countered the adverse impacts of drought and increased wheat yield. Zinc increases the water potential in leaves during drought conditions. Enzymes are activated by zinc applications. During the growing season, foliar sprays of zinc regulate stomata conductance. Stomata on the underside of leaves are the breathing mechanisms of plants. When they aren't working properly, the plant temperature rises and increases the amount of carbon lost to respiration. More carbon lost to the air means less for the plant to use or share with soil microorganisms. In-row application of zinc is effective as a drought resistance tool. Plants naturally take up zinc in the roots as ions and circulate zinc ions throughout the plant biomass. Soil microbial activity increases zinc ions in the soil and helps make zinc uptake by plants more effective. Products that work with the plant's natural physiological processes are the most efficient for the application of zinc and other micronutrients. ST Biologicals partners with QualiTech to offer our clients the polysaccharide-based Q-Bio Zinc 7.5% for both foliar and in-furrow applications. Polysaccharides are naturally occurring and are biodegradable, biocompatible, and non-toxic. Q-Bio Zinc 7.5% has a polysaccharide base that may also act as a plant growth regulator. Are you ready to drought-proof your farm next year? To get advice on when to perform winter soil testing and lab analysis, visit stbiologicals.com. When soil speaks, we listen. Thanks for listening, and we'll catch you on the next one.